Hey guys, I decided to do a very homespun, inexpensive little craft here. For Christmas, I've never done the dried orange slices, so I decided to give it a whirl. I slice them really thin, put them on a pan, and then you put your oven on the lowest setting it can go. Mine was like 170 something. Anything below 200 should be okay. I tried to, once they were dry, punch holes in them, but they were too thick. So I did end up using either the natural holes where citrus kind of dried up or using a scissor to punch a little hole. They ended up taking about 4 hours. I flipped them about every half hour, but towards the end, I just left them on low heat for a long time and then turned the oven off and just left them in there to dry for a bit. See, this one had a natural hole. I'm just showing you guys. And I used little twine to thread through here. I've also seen people, and I would do this after you've punched the holes and before you thread them. I have seen people use Mod Podge once they're very, very dry. If you want a little gloss or a little sheen on them, I'm leaving them very natural because I'm kind of going for that extremely natural look with my cranberries and my garland, etc. this year. But that's another option if you want them to be a little glossier. This one had a natural, and that's how that looks. And then I will punch some holes in some of the ones that don't have those little natural holes in them. I just used a regular, scissor, not even that sharp, and it worked great. I just punched a tiny, tiny hole with one of the little sides of the scissor, and it worked. And this is how I used them in my decor and how they turned out. Thanks for watching. For more content, please like and subscribe. Happy holidays.